Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Today we are diving into an incredible tool that is revolutionizing art as we know it, Midjourney's Style Tuner. This is a game changer, folks, so buckle up and get ready to explore a whole new world of artistic possibilities. The Midjourney Style Tuner isn't just your run-of-the-mill feature, it is a powerhouse of creativity. Picture this, billions of style variations at your fingertips. That's right, billions with a B. It is a mind boggling array of artistic expressions waiting for you to explore. But hey, I get it. At first glance, it might seem a bit overwhelming, so let's break it down. Now, Midjourney has had some incredible styles before, but with the Style Tuner, it has taken things to next level. The raw style in version 5, it is more photographic, keeping close to your prompt, but it doesn't add that extra touch of beauty. Then there's a myriad of styles like 4A, 4B, 4C, and even the intriguingly named Cursed in version 4. And now, with style tuners, you have got this amazing style random option. Talk about having trillions of styles at your fingertips. The real magic. This isn't about typing in style words anymore. It's about visual curation. You are telling Midjourney what you like by selecting images. Think of it as tuning into your artistic preferences. Experimenting with the pre-configured style tuner or crafting your own gives you the power to steer your art in a direction that resonates with you. Once you have made your choices, you get a unique style code, your artistic fingerprint. Apply this code to any prompt and see how it transforms the image. The beauty? Each set of choices create a different code, offering endless variations. You have got your personal touch that's truly one of a kind. So, you have made your choices. You have got your style code. Now what? This code represents your personal artistic fingerprint. Apply it to any prompt and watch the magic happen. But remember, each choice tweaks the code, creating a unique visual journey every time. Share codes, experiment, and get ready to witness how your images transform. Apply on the following prompts. Imagine a girl in mountains. Style, enter code that you created. Imagine a boy and a cat. Style, enter code that you created. These tools let you fine-tune your experience. Whether you want Midjourney's default aesthetic or a personalized touch, these parameters give you ultimate control. And guess what? You can chain codes together for an ultra-realistic and unique artistic signature. Now that's creative freedom. Alright folks, we have barely scratched the surface of what Midjourney's Style Tuner can do. The possibilities are endless and I want you to join me on this artistic journey. Share your codes, create your tuners, and let's make something extraordinary together. Check out the links in the description below to explore more. In the next video, we'll share how you can create custom style tuning. If this video sparked your creativity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more art-inspiring content.